Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video has been so incredibly requested over the last couple months and I'm finally getting around to doing it for you guys. I hope you're excited. Thank you so much Jurgens Natural Glow for partnering with me on this video. I have been such a huge fan of this tanning product for so long, so this is a dream partnership and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. You're gonna love this. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my at-home self-tanner routine. So requested, like I said, you guys have just been asking for this and I'm sorry it took so long, but I'm so excited. If you want to know how I achieve my glowy tan that I've been rocking, keep on watching. Okay, so let's go into the bathroom and I'll talk about all of my pre-tanning tips to get your best self-tan. So I'll meet you in the bathroom. Okay guys, so this first step is super important. It's all about cleaning and exfoliating your skin before you go in with your self-tanner. So use your favorite little scrubby dub, use your favorite exfoliator, and we're gonna really prep the skin. So make sure you use something that's gonna make it nice and smooth so that tan goes on so much more flawless and our Jurgens Natural Glow looks stunning. So now that we're all cleansed and ready to go and exfoliated, the Jurgens Natural Glow is amazing because you don't need to use a ton of product to get an amazing result. 2 pumps per leg and 1 per arm is all you need. As you can see, you get that instant color payoff in only 60 seconds when you put it on. Also, I highly recommend going sparingly around the knuckles, knees, ankles, and your toes and fingers. And using a moisturizer a few hours prior will really ensure flawless and even application. It's going to just look so much better. So I'm always so shocked at how easy that application is. It just looks so flawless. I have loved Jurgens for so long. Jurgens Natural Glow is everything. Like I said before, you don't need much product at all. It looks so beautiful. You get that instant color payoff and it just develops more. It looks so beautiful and natural. So I'll insert the before and after pictures here and you can really see that beautiful sun-kissed glow. I am just so obsessed with this product. It never lets me down. It always looks gorgeous. So there's another product that I'm also totally obsessed with. This is the Jurgens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. So in between my self-tanner, to kind of keep it up and just kind of keep my glow going, this is an excellent product just to add into your beauty routine. So this glides on super smooth. It's also very hydrating. You can just put this on your wet skin when you get out of the shower and it will totally help your tan extend and stay beautiful. And I also love this because my skin's been really dry, so it adds a lot of hydration as well. So this is also an excellent product and I highly recommend both of these products. They are absolutely amazing. Thank you again to Jurgens Natural Glow for sponsoring today's video. I really am excited to share this with you guys, so make sure you send me your bronzy glowy photos when you guys try these products out. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. I go anywhere.